Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We just finished the first day of practice for the Bassmaster Open on Bugs Island here in Virginia. Getting off the water a little bit earlier than normal. I've got to do a little bit of shopping, but really today I just kind of wanted to get a first impression of this lake. I really haven't done much research at all. I've never been out here, and so I wanted to see a good portion of the lake. And today I focused on kind of the probably eastern end, because it kind of runs east to west, the lower end of the lake near the dam. And you know, overall I like the lake. I didn't catch anything, you know, real special. I probably had like, you know, 12 or 13 pounds worth of bites. But you know, I feel like you can do what you want to do as a shallow water angler here. But of course, you know, there's a lot of opportunities out deep. So, you know, because I didn't see the size in doing what I like to do, that kind of concerns me a little bit. But that being said, you know, I just kind of explored this lower half of the lake today and just covered a ton of water. Most of the time I was on the big engine, you know, just running the Mercury around. So I don't know exactly, you know, if this is the area that I want to fish, but I found a region within this region that I felt fairly comfortable in. So if I have to come down here, I know I can catch some fish down here. But yeah, you know, I think one of the most important parts about like the first or second day of practice, when you have a lot of practice, you know, 4.5 days is a lot of practice time, is, you know, just going out there and just seeing what the lake has. And you know, I covered a good third of the lake today. Just kind of wanted to see what it looked like, what type of cover was on the shoreline, you know, what the docks looked like in different regions, what the structure, kind of how it's set up. You know, I think I did what I needed to do today. But I have some other areas that I really want to check out, because as a shallow water guy, there's some spots that just look too good, and I've got to get them off my mind. But wanted to wait for this rain that we had earlier today to kind of subside. But anyways, guys, today was, I would rate it a good 7 out of 10. You know, a decent day of practice, just kind of you know, eliminating some water, finding some areas I feel comfortable in. And so as far as the first day of practice on bugs, I think it was pretty good. But anyways, guys, keep up with all the action throughout the week. I'm going to be posting videos every single day about my practice. And yeah, hopefully we find the area that we feel supremely confident in, and we want to fish this tournament. But anyways, guys, trust the process. I'm going to see you guys out on the water.